Fraud trial against former President Donald Trump, his eldest sons, and the Trump Organization. The New York Attorney General says they inflated the value of their assets.
The defense beginning its case today to try and prove they're not liable for fraud. ABC's Rena Roy has the update.
Donald Trump Jr. once again taking the stand in the $250 million civil fraud trial against him, his father and brother, and the Trump Organization. The younger Trump testifying as the defense team's first witness, attempting to argue they're not liable for the inaccuracy of their financial statements. The New York Attorney General accusing them of inflating the value of their assets by as much as $2 billion. On the stand, Don Jr. casting his father as an artist, a real estate visionary that has helped create value for the family business that cannot be captured on paper. Also pointing out luxury features and iconic views at their properties, walking through a slideshow called The Trump Story, explaining the history of the family's real estate portfolio.
He is ramrod straight, he's jovial, he answers the questions, and it's his attorney, Cliff Robert, who's asking them and asking Trump Jr. to walk the court through this lofty history of the Trump Organization.
The judge has already determined Trump and his eldest sons did commit fraud, but the trial will help determine how much they'll have to pay in damages and if they'll be banned from doing business in New York, all of them denying wrongdoing in this case. Things getting heated in court last week when the former president took the stand in his own defense, the judge saying Trump often offered lengthy, non-responsive answers when questioned by a state attorney. Ivanka Trump, who's not a defendant, also testified last week as the last of 25 state witnesses. She helped set up some of the loans at issue in the trial, but claims she doesn't know much about the financial statements she says were prepared by her father's accountants. Rena Roy, ABC News, New York.